Hey guys, welcome back. And today I'll cover one of the topic which has come to me as a comment to cover in my subsequent videos. Uh, One of my subscriber want to know how we can get add-ins for your Excel. Now it is pretty simple, straightforward. uh, the add-ins in Microsoft Excel are additional tool packs. So these are already there, but they do not appear unless and until you make them accessible or activate them. Yeah. So there are add-ins like solver, analysis toolpacks, which are generally used for statistical analysis. I use them. Yeah. Currently, it is not seen. If you go to the data tab, you do not have the analysis toolpack, which appears at the end of this particular ribbon. So in data ribbon, the analysis toolpack appear here. Okay. So this Excel add-ins reduce the time needed for data analysis and improve functionalities of the Microsoft Excel tool. Now, Excel add-in are some are paid, some have annual subscription, some are free to use because they are being created by Excel. Some of the most popular tools are this analysis toolpack, as I told you, Q tools, Power Pivot. Power Pivot is one of the favorite topic that we'll cover in our subsequent videos in our advanced Excel sessions. Mac type, solver, analysis toolpack, ChatGPT for Excel. You know ChatGPT, how that is famous for. SAP Analytics Cloud for Excel, SQL spreadsheet, yeah. Power Map for Excel. So there are a lot of things, yeah. Now the best add-in that I have used specific to some domains are supply chain add-ins, Visio Data Analyzer, Visualizer, or Chart Expo, Smart Charts. Yeah, so these are some of the popular or some of the best visualization tools that I have used within Excel. Yeah, so let me first add those add-ins to your Excel. How do you do that? Yeah, so there are two ways in which we can do it. First, on the home tab itself, you have the options for add-in, which I'm not able to see in some of the Excel. By default, it is on. Let me see if I'm able to see it here. Yeah, so add-ins tab, I cannot locate here. So I'll tell you another way in which we can, let me see, editing, fill. This is not add-in, but obvious. So let me show you another way in which we can have the add-in in place. So what I can do is go to the options tab. Yeah, I go to the op or let me see if it is available on view. Yeah. So is this the add-ins? Yes. So here we can see if you go to the developer tab, I have it on developer tab. Some will have it on the home tab itself. Yeah. So I have it on the developer tab. We have this option called add-in. You go to the add-in section, which is available. Oh, sorry. You have this add-in group in which we have the option for add-in. These are default add-in, Excel add-ins, which you can have for your pursuit. So let me click on this first add-in. You can see I have this solver add-in, which I can just click and I can say insert. So I have this solver add-in being added to my Excel sheet, which I can use for my data analysis. Yeah, I can also click on Excel add-ins. So if I click on Excel add-ins, these are the tool pack that I use as I have told you earlier. I can use the analysis tool pack. I can have the solver add-in being shown as such. I'll say OK. And you'll find the data tab has now this new options being added, which is analyze. These are the add-ins for an Excel sheet. So if I want to do any kind of data analysis, so you can see there are a lot of statistical analysis that I can do using this. I'll not get into this. I want to show you what kind of uh, easy factors that comes up with when you are adding certain uh, tools. These are in the form of add-ins to your Excel. So I'm easily able to do a lot of statistical analysis. So for an example, if I have this amount, I want to do some analysis. I want to get a descriptive analytics on this particular amount column. So I'll say, okay, yeah, I need to give the input range. That will quickly give me, yeah, I'll say, okay. So it will create a new worksheet. Okay, I need to choose the options. I'll say confidence level. I need summary statistics as well. And I want it on the same sheet. So I'll click here. Yeah, I want it here. So I'll say, okay. No, I input range is this. Yeah. And the output range has to be here. I want the output here. Okay. On F9. I say, okay. You'll find the entire statistics. I do not need to run anything. So it is giving me mean, standard deviation, median, mode, everything. So the point here is these add-ins are very useful in order to get some very important tools that are required for your data analysis. Yeah. And this is one of my favorite tool, this data analytics tool. Yeah. So how do we add add-ins? So you go to developer, you go to Excel add-ins. In some cases, you will find it in the home tab itself at the rightmost corner on the upper side of the ribbon. Uh, I showed you from developer how you can add Excel add-ins, how you can add normal add-ins, how you can add COM add-ins. I do not want to get into that as of now because it will have Power View, Power Pivot, and all which I already added. So if I remove this power pivot for Excel and say OK, so you'll find the power pivot which was available here has gone. So it was available here as an option. But if I try to get it now, if I want a com add-in, which was in the form of power pivot, I'll click on power pivot. I'll say OK. Here the power pivot option has available. Yeah. So what you need to understand that these are tools which will make your life a bit easier, or if it will make your life uh, or data analytics part easier, visualization part easier. Yeah. So that is how you can get your add-ins. Now, you can also go to I'll tell you from where you can get add-ins from a backstage view. So if I click on File tab, now you go to the File tab, and in that you need to go to Options. In this Options, you have the option for add-in. Yeah, you can see this. So if I click on add-in, it will show you all the add-ins that are available in for your Excel. You can have those add-ins, or there are multiple add-ins that are available which can be accessed. So there are visualization add-ins as well, which you can add and get it enabled for your Excel to use them. Okay, so this is the place where you can have your add-ins being added to your Excel sheet. Another way, let me check, there is another way of getting the So here is the place where you can get your add-ins added. Okay, so I can have a Power Pivot or a Power View for Excel, uh, Power Map for Excel. You can get anything that you require. Okay, I can have the analysis tool pack enable, Euro currency converter enable. I can have a lot of automations which are already available here, which you can use. But the point here is, first of all, is how do you get add-in? That is what I have shown you right now. So there are add-in sections which can be used. uh, yeah, and you can have them to make your sheets more beautiful, or I can go to the web as well. Now, the important thing that you need to look at is some of the tools are not directly available in add-in, so you need to install them. So I can go to Microsoft Store and I can search for a lot of tools. There's a lot of tools that are available here. So these are again add-ins which you can use. I can look for like I have some CRM tools. Yeah, these are add-ins for CRM tools. Yeah, I can search for it. So if I want to search for a specific tools like Q tools, not available. Let me check something else. So what I can check is SQL, something which is related to SQL. Let me see if I'm able to get. So you can see connect. All your data now available live in your Microsoft Excel, 250 plus data sources. So you can have the various databases. Yeah. So you can see the information about the add-in as well, and when it was published, how many people are using it, what are their ratings. Yeah, you can also get the preview of the add-in that you want to see. Yeah, you go back. I can have anything which is visualization related. I'll say Visio. Do you have anything for Visio? Let me see. Yeah, so you can see this Microsoft Visual Data Visualizer, which can help you to, this is a purchase, this is a paid add-in. So you can create a lot of visualizations. You can see this. Yeah, you can have one that I have used in my previous organization was supply chain. Let me see if it is still available. Yeah, so it is supply chain add-in. So it helps you to create a lot of supply chain related maps from showing the routes of your journey. Yeah. So I've used this for my logistic tracking, which gives me a lot of information in a form of graphical way, uh, how my product has been delivered, from which hub to which spoke. Yeah. So it's a useful tool. You can see it can track around the globe given the data that you push into. So there's a lot of add-ins. I have already added the solver add-in, which is seen here since in my add-ins. I can manage my add-ins from here. So if I have already added some add-ins, I can go to the Microsoft store on which I'll require the login, post which I can see the add-in. I'll not log into this as of now, but I hope you understood how you can get add-ins for your Excel sheet, how can add those, how you can remove those add-ins. So if I have some add-ins, I want to remove them, I can just do that by clicking on it, like clicking on these three dots and clicking on remove to remove those add-ins. Yeah. Hope you understood. There are various tools. You can just go to Google and try to find out what kind of add-ins are available on Google, which will make your task easier which can help you visualize or help you analyze your data in a better way or in a faster way. Yeah. So there are a lot of tools you need to explore it. I have shown you already how many tools are there on the store, which can be accessed from this particular place, that is Microsoft Store. There are so many add-ons. You go to CRM, data analytics, education, financial management, project management, sales and marketing. There are many, many. You have this visualization add-ins, one of which I have shown you right now. So lot and lot of things which you can explore. Yeah. Hope, I guess I was able to make this particular topic clear. I hope I was able to answer the query or the comment of which my subscriber has raised. And hope others have also understood how you can get this useful feature into your Excel. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Uh, do comment if you want me to cover this kind of topics in a 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, because that's how you're going to get all these videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.